Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the app lock feature on WhatsApp web on your PC. This is a new update, so if you've been struggling to find the option, you're in the right place. This guide will help you regain quick access to your chats without any extra security prompts. Here's how to do it. 1. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC. Make sure you're logged in. 2. Once you're in, look at the left side menu. You'll see a few icons there. Click on the gear icon to access the settings menu. 3. In the settings menu, find and enter the privacy section. This is where you'll find all the privacy-related options for your WhatsApp web account. 4. Scroll down the privacy settings until you see App Lock. This feature adds an extra layer of security, requiring a password to unlock WhatsApp web. Click on App Lock and then deselect the App Lock option to disable it. By turning off the App Lock feature, you can save time and avoid the hassle of constantly unlocking your screen when using WhatsApp web on your PC. 6. To confirm the changes, you'll be prompted to enter your password. This is the password you set up when you enabled App Lock. Type it in to proceed. 7. Finally, click OK to finalize the process. This action will save your settings and remove the App Lock from your WhatsApp on PC. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the App Lock feature on WhatsApp web. Now you can access your chats quickly and easily. This is a convenient option for those who prefer easy access to their messages. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.